And I am Mr. White, and you're here at the Motor Live Drive at 5, right here at our fabulous WHFR studios. We have the Bird Dogs. Now, fellas, would you like to introduce yourselves?
I'm Robbie Buxton. I play lead guitar and vocals.
My name's Ben Littles. I play the bass.
Josh Nicely, tambourine.
And Jarvis Logan on the drums.
That's great. Where do you guys hail from?
Pontiac, Michigan.
Pontiac in the house. Awesome. What else do you guys get lined up for us?
Yeah, we're gonna do a few more for you. This one's called Wiseman. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So who does most of the writing of this material?
That would be me.
Rob, yeah, he does most of the writing.
Robbie on guitar there?
Yep.
Yes.
What do you guys got coming up in the short term? Where can people see you?
We're playing tomorrow night at the Lager House.
Yeah, Lager House, Michigan Avenue, right?
Yep. And then also on the bill are the Black Hollies from New Jersey.
What do you guys got lined up next for us?
The next one is it's called Lose My Mind. 1, 2, 3.